guess what? You will not believe what just happened today, but we got something really cool. Alright, let's open this up, guys. This is what I got. So I'm gonna open this up. Let's open this up. It's kind of like a GoPro, like I showed you guys. It's amazing. Also got an SD card for 32GB. Without further ado, guys, let's open this. I am absolutely excited. I can't wait to take this B-roll shots. I'm gonna get a knife, guys, because I am actually super happy I got this huge knife. How happy I am. I'm so happy at this beauty, guys. Oh my god. Oh. This is literally insane. I don't even know how I'm opening this. How do you open this? Oh. But this also comes with accessories and it records in 720p. Oh. Oh sh. Accessories. Gonna use this a lot for the action shots. Yeah. Gonna put those off to the paint this. Alright. Yeah. Oh, you can mount this onto the car. That's so cool. Where that could be. Oh, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Charging cable. Gonna put that off to the... Oh my god. Micro charging cable. Absolutely love that. Alright, now what we've all been waiting for. Alright, I got it loose. I even got another mount for this, so I'm gonna keep it just in case. Alright, this is the mount screw thing. Definitely gonna keep that. This will definitely come in handy. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna charge it afterwards. Boom. Oh, it's also got the lens thing. Time for the SD card. See this? See that? Open that up. Really easy and simple. There's like a little tape thing. Right there. See that adapter? Don't need that. I'm just kidding. I actually need that. Micro SD card. See that micro SD card input. Slightly pop it in there. Wow, guys, look at this mess. Alright. So, charging cable right here. Gonna plug it in. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. All of this for $55. I totally recommend it, guys. Right, let's plug this in. Oh, yeah. Alright, found this thing. Gonna put it over here. And plug it in over here. Right, let's see what happens. Hey! Oh, that's so cool. Guys, look. Oh, wow, look at that still image. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some test footage after this. So is this like recording? Alright, first test vlog on this. As you can see, I was recording on this earlier. It's off now, so it won't really get in there, but yeah, so this is the camera. I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to get some cinematics in Movie Monday, which is tomorrow. So yeah.